together before in anti-corruption, and the statistics that we have as Kenyans is that Fuliza has grown spontaneously since the launch of the Asla Fund. How do you explain this when the government has opined that the Asla Fund has been fairly successful? And then maybe finally, there is a comment that was made here by the controller of budget that at times we budget for corruption. This is to you, CS Treasury. Now, state corporation budgets really, according to the control of budget, can be a conduit for corruption on government money. That being the problem, CS, what would be your recommendation on the way forward? Because the people who have spoken here have said corruption actually contributes largely to the high cost of living. Then the El Nino allocation, CS, has this money been spent or it's lying somewhere? Thank you.
Thank you. I think we can now begin